This right here is our Anlin window. Anlin, they're manufactured in California. They're specifically made and designed for our climate, the hot heat, the blistering sun. And one of our other videos, we talked about the glass. That reflection that you see right there, that's the low E. This is actually the sun matrix, so it has 4 coats of low E in it. Really reduces that heat. And then when it comes to the frames, most homes have aluminum frames in them. Now, aluminum is the second highest conducting heat material out there next to copper. So even if it doesn't get direct sunlight, whatever the temperature is outside is going to radiate through that aluminum into your home. So the idea when it comes to replacing windows is you want to reduce as much heat as possible. And the ultraviolet rays can ruin, your flooring, your cupboards, your drapes. It pretty much ruins everything that it touches over time. So the glass will eliminate that and the direct sunlight coming in. And then the framing, so this frame right here, this is vinyl, and it's a specific type of vinyl. You got to be really careful when it comes to vinyl. A lot of vinyl out there, it'll warp, it'll fade, it'll discolor. You'll have a lot of issues with it over time. And one of the things that Anlin does specifically is they infuse their vinyl with titanium. The frame itself, there's reinforced with steel. The combination of both, you're never going to get that vinyl smile, if you will. It obviously will take care of any type of fading or discoloring or warping, anything like that. Not only that, but Anlin has what's called a double lifetime warranty, which covers things like the warpage, seal failure, on gas loss. They'll even cover accidental glass breakage, which is very convenient. You're out mowing a lawn, flip up a rock, breaks the glass, covered for life. And what's meant by the double lifetime warranty is if you ever sell that home, that warranty at no cost to the next homeowner goes directly over to them. So it's a good perk. It's a nice perk if you ever decide to sell your home. Okay. Now, when it comes to these windows, obviously we have picture windows that don't move at all. This one right here is called a single light slider, which just means it opens side to side. They roll very smoothly. All the windows come with what's called a fresh air brake, so that if you wanted to be able to open your window but not have it open anymore so you can cross ventilate, it allows you to do that. It's very nice. It's definitely not a safety feature in the sense that if somebody wants to break in, they can break in, but they're not going to be able to just open the window. And then this window right here opens up and down. Pretty simple. One of the nice things about these as well is the windows that do open up and down, they do fold out. So if you ever wanted to clean it, you can clean it from the inside and then clean this. We also have what's called double hung and single hung. In other words, the bottom sash will open up and down, the top sash can open up and down. And then with the single light sliders, both sides can open. So we do have that option with this manufacturer.